In this video here, we will be sketching sine and cos graphs with horizontal translations. In this particular example here, we will look at a sine graph that has a particular horizontal translation associated with it. And for this case here, we've been given the graph of 3 sine of 2t, which has not been horizontally translated yet. So in this particular case, if we want to investigate the horizontal translation, we will focus on this inner bracket here of t minus pi on 4. If we let t minus pi on 4, or that inner bracket, equal to 0, and we solve for t, we'll end up with pi on 4, which indicates that we move by pi on 4 to the right. The direct effect on this graph here, which already has an amplitude of 3 by that value at the front, and we also know that we have a period of 2 pi on n, which is 2 pi on, our n value here is 2, then we'll have a period of pi. So this graph of 3 sine of 2t is sketched there. However, if we want to horizontally translate this by pi on 4 to the right, each of these quarter increment points will be shifted by pi on 4 to the right. This first point here will move across to pi on 4, 0. This second point at the maximum will move across to pi on 2, 3. This x-intercept will also move across by pi on 4 to 3 pi on 4. Apply it to the minimum and also to the mean line as well. So just to show you the effect of the horizontal translation that will occur on this graph here. So we end up with a curve that looks like this. And that is within a domain of 0 to 5 pi on 4. We need to extend this graph. So to extend this graph to the domain of 0, we need to extend it by one more increment to the minimum. The endpoint here will have a closed circle because we have a less than or equal to symbol included there. So to finish off our graph here, we need to label our points. We've got an endpoint of 0 and -3. Our other endpoint is 5 pi on 4, 0. And our new x-intercepts will be pi on 4, 0, 3 pi on 4, 0. And that is all. So 1 mark for the shape, 1 mark for the endpoints, and 1 mark for the x and y intercepts.